So guys, for the first step, once run the Epic Games Launcher, you have to click on your username on the top right, and then you have to click on Settings. Then you have to scroll a bit down until you see Throttle Downloads. You have to set this on 100,000s. Now for the next step, you have to head over to search and type in Firewall and Network Protection. Now click on Allow an App through Firewall, and then you have to click on Change Settings, Allow another app, click on Browse, and you have to find where you have the Epic Games Launcher installed. So if me, it's on my C drive program files 86, Epic Games, Launcher, Engine, Binaries, Win64, and then you will find Epic Games Launcher.exe file, double click on it, and then click on Add, and then click on OK. Now for the next step, you have to head over to search and type in Device Manager. Click on it now. Once you're on this, you have to expand network adapters. Then you have to find your network adapter. This one's mine right here. Right click on it and then click on Update Driver and then click on Search automatically for drivers. Make sure that the best driver for your device has been installed.